let's do some Kundalini Yoga now. So what we do is, there are mudras, there are mantras that you chant, okay, so mudras, mantras and kriyas. Some kriyas may be a little challenging, maybe, but remember one thing, if it is hurting you, it's healing you. So whatever acid, we store our negativity in our body. Where do you think it's going to go? So some people have a lot of chronic issues on the neck. That's stress, anxiety is coming here, it's staying there. So you get spondylitis, you get, your neck, you have a frozen shoulder, right? Some people have financial issues. The back hurts a lot. So everybody's got anger issues. Oh, I'm the PhD of anger. As an actor, I used to only get cast for angry roles. Only angry roles. Because in the Ramayana, if anybody knows the Ramayana, I was casted as Lakshmana. Because the director looked at his team and he said, shut up. Have you ever seen anybody more angry than Bijay? Just write his name down. Because they said, we got 50 people to choose from. Why do you want to just immediately decide? He said, shut up. He's the most angry person I know in my life. And after Kundalini Yoga, after 25 years, I did Ramayana again for another project. But this time, I was casted as Janak. Janak was like a king who was also a yogi, who was also a saint. He was the calmest person on the planet. And that's what Kundalini Yoga did for me. Right? So before Kundalini Yoga, Lakshmana, the angry guy, the warrior, the fighter, killing everyone on the way, shouting, screaming. And after Kundalini Yoga, that's how it changed my life. The one thing I notice about any festival we go to, and if you're sitting in a circle and we're just having a general conversation, and we say, so what do you practice? So I do this yoga. And how does it help you? Oh, it has made me more flexible, it has done this, and I had back pain and now it's not. Okay, what do you do? I do that yoga. And because of that yoga, I've become more calm. And then when you come to the Kundalini guy or girl, it changed my life. It changed my life. That's it. There's nothing else to say. What do you explain to people? It changed my life. That's how it is across all the festivals I've ever taught and I've been a part of.